Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can create a folder on your desktop. Okay, so let's go quick into the process. So here is your desktop on how you can create a folder in here. You just have to make a right click on the open space and you will find this option new and you'll find folder. Now click on that and you have just created a folder on your desktop. Now, if you want to rename it, simply right click and select rename and change this to your file name. Okay, and if you want to open it, simply double click it. If you want to put some files in it, then you just need to simply drag your file to be inserted into the new folder. Okay. And here it is. Okay, so that's how you can easily create a new folder on your desktop. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.